So let's check our chocolate, see how that looks. Okay, looks good to me. You can tell that the chips are very soft right now. It's heated up. You don't want to overheat this. So again, start mixing in the middle, work your way out. Swipe the sides, swipe the bottom. Looks good. See how it's coming around? Everything's incorporating. You want to continue this until it's completely mixed. Okay. Looks good. It looks a little thick to me. Let me finish incorporating this. I might have to add a little more cream to it. Normally, if you're doing a larger quantity, you'll want to heat your cream before you add it to this. Since it's such a small quantity, I won't do that. I'll just add the cream, heat it a little more. See how thick this is? It almost peaks. We don't want that. We want it to be a medium sauce consistency. The way we'll be setting up the cake, it will drizzle down the side of the cheesecake. We want it to level off on the top and be smooth for when we add our walnuts and our caramel topping. So let's add a little more cream. I'm going to go with exactly 2 tablespoons. Let's whip that in. It's looking much better, much better. You know what though? It's still peaking. I'm going to add a couple more tablespoons of the whipping cream. And I'm going to give it a little more heat, about 20 seconds, because we just added 2 tablespoons and we added 2 more, and this is still fairly cold. So what that's also doing is cooling down the fondant. So to have our true consistency, it needs to be warmed up. So let's go back in the microwave for 20 seconds. We'll finish chopping our nuts.